Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Google location accuracy in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our Google location accuracy options, we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for navigation, location menu here, and at the top we have location services. By default, our Google location accuracy should be turned on. If we want to turn it off, we simply tap this option, and here we have our explanation, what does it do, and the option that is interesting to us. So turn it off and simply back. And now our Google location accuracy is turned off if we want to turn it off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.